From these vast American fields, the highest quality cotton is harvested, destined not for clothing, but for currency. Seal intact. Please confirm your destination manifest. Sector Gamma, delivery confirmed. All right, proceed to the next gate.
Check the drum rotation speed on Sector 4. It is optimal. Sensor readings are clear.
String. The linen fibers pass through advanced refining machines. Mechanical rollers and precision cutters create uniform.
The linen ratio is holding steady at 25%.
Good. Maintain current speed.
Consistency levels are stable.
And the fiber distribution?
Looks optimized for the currency run.
While the paper is still wet, precision watermark rollers impress detailed security images directly into the paper structure.
Tiny red and blue security fibers are automatically distributed throughout the wet paper pulp for final drying.
Check the sensors on the fifth cylinder. The humidity spiked slightly.
Adjusting the temperature now. It should stabilize the fibers.
The viscosity is fluctuating slightly outside the tolerance.
We need to stabilize the pressure immediately. The infrared scan on sheet 42 looks good. Yes, the AI confirms the watermark alignment is perfect.
Check the tracking label on this one. Looks good, confirmed.
That last diversion was due to a weight discrepancy.
Yes, I'm pulling up the camera feed now to verify the error.
All scans are green on this pallet, Supervisor. Good. Let's get this sealed and moved out.
Manifest confirmed. Seal the cargo bay. Copy that. Bay secure.
Operations, this is Convoy 1. We are approaching Waypoint Charlie on schedule.